Okay, this is a given map. So let's see how to complete this map. So we want to draw a suitable cross section for this given structural map. So in this map we have different type of formation. Starting from the bottom, you can see P, Q, R, S, T and U. We have the contour lines. So the contour lines start from 200 and the maximum value is 700, and the scale is given here. So use this scale. So before starting you just measure the scale. So it's 2.5 centimeter equal to 2.5 centimeter equal to I'm writing here 2.5 centimeter equal to 500 meter. That means 0.5 centimeter equal to 100 meters. This is scale of the map. So whenever you are using the scale, use this graphical representation. So any reduction in the map while you are copying or printing, xeroxing, so this scale will remain same. So use this scale. So here we have 2.5 centimeter equal to 500 meters. Now how to draw the cross section. I'm going to draw a cross section along A and B. Okay, so you can select some other section. So for this we need the structural contours or strike line. So how to find out the structural contours, or how to draw the structural contours or the strike line? So for that you take any formation. So I'm going to take this formation, the boundary between this Q and R. Okay, so already it is printed that in the particular boundary it meets 200 contours in these 2 points. Okay, so already the line is drawn. So likewise I'm going to find out next intersection of contour with the outcrop. So this is the point 300. So now draw the line which connects these 2 points. Okay, this also intersect here. Likewise the next point. Okay, for that you can measure the distance between these 2 points. Okay, so sometimes the dip or the strike interval will vary. So move to the next formation. Try to draw the line as said earlier. Okay, this point and this point, so which intersect here also. See here 4 points are intersecting. Okay, next I'm taking these points. Okay, next one. These are all called strike line or the structural contours. Okay, so you can see here this particular line or this line intersect at 700 contour and here also. So this correspond to 700 for this particular formation. Okay, let us complete the first we will complete the all the intersection points. So here we have some other intersection point. For that we just measure the interval between these 2 points. This comes around 1.3 centimeter. Draw a perpendicular line. Whenever you are drawing, you take the correct reading, exact value, so that your map will be more accurate, so you can avoid the errors. So now this point you are already 300 contour you are already drawn. Now you are drawing for the 400. So this is the intersection point, so you can connect easily like this. So these two lines should be parallel. Okay, now it is parallel. Is this 500? This is for 500. And this is for 600. Likewise, the down also you have to draw. So I have marked the point already. I am just connecting. So you can also measure the other area also, so that you know that whether the dip is equal or different. So here it is same, so there is no problem at all. So it's remains same. So the entire area the dip is same. Okay. Now how to draw the cross section? So now the structural contours are ready. So now you have to give the values. So you note the values. So this structural contours represent the boundary between U and T. So the boundary between U T. So this is for the 500 value. So this one U T. So this is 400. Okay. So in between there is no need of drawing any structural contours. So next one, so for this boundary S and T, so T bar S, so this is for 700. Okay, So same T bar S, this is for 600. So like this. So this one 500. This one T bar S 400. Okay, so 300 is not there, so you can leave it off. Next, the boundary between R and S, this line. So this one S bar R, so this represent 700. So S bar R, this one represent, this is 600. So S bar R 500. So you can see that this is 500. So this is S bar R 400. So S bar R 400. Okay. And if you come down further, if you come down for this one, this boundary Q and R. Okay. So R bar Q, so this is represent 600. This one R bar Q 500. R bar Q, this one is 400. $300, and this is 200. Okay, so likewise for this boundary P and Q, okay, this represent Q bar P, it represents 500. So this one represent 400. $300, and this one's 200. So you can see this. So I have given all the values. I have find out the values and I have note down here. Okay. Now the map is ready for cross section drawing. So I have already discussed the cross section drawing in the previous videos. So anyhow, so this is my point A and B. Okay, so I'm going to draw a cross section along here, this 2 points. So I've taken my own point, so which covers all the formation, like that I have taken. You can change the direction and you can take as you wish. Okay, first you have to connect this 2 point with a straight line. Okay, now take a strip of paper and complete the topography. Take a strip of paper. So I'm taking a new fresh paper. So mark A and B exactly. B and A here. Okay. Then the intersection of contours. So 400, 500, 600, sorry, this is also 500, 500, 400, 300 and 200. Take a fresh paper and mark or transfer these 2 points exactly in the paper. A and B. Draw a baseline. Then both ends draw the perpendicular line. You can use set square also for more perfect drawing. So I am using the scale. Perfect. So before completing this, you just check it whether the reading is correct or not. So exactly it should come. Yeah, it's okay. Now mark the elevations here, that contour values. So the scale is 0.5 centimeter equal to 100 meters. So I'm using the same scale. So this end also. Okay. Now transfer these contour values here. So 200 I'm keeping parallel to 200. Keep this paper parallel to 200 and mark this point. Okay. Then 300. Do it carefully. 400. Yes. And 500. So now connect this point with the free hand. Draw smooth line. Now the topography is ready. Now we have to draw the beds, how the beds are dipping. For that, you take the map and match this 2 point parallelly once again, and now note down all the structural contours which meets this line. Okay, so like this you can do it. So transfer the structural contour with the different type of line or symbols, whatever you want you can do it. Okay, just note it down. So this is one of the method when we have not having the dip angle. So without finding the dip angle, you can draw or complete this diagram using this structural contours or straight line. So we need this intersection point, so just you can draw the line like this. Now we have all the structural contour line. Now you write down these values here also. Okay, that will be easy for making the map. Okay, so just like this you can do it. This is a UT, U bar T, so this is 500, so 500, 500, so U bar T 400. So next one, this one, T and S, T bar S 700, so T bar S 600, T bar S 500, okay, T bar S 400, T bar S 300 is not there. So next, S bar R, okay, so here S R 700, so S R 600, S R 500, S R 400. Next one, RQ. So here RQ 600, RQ 500, RQ 400, RQ 300, RQ 200. Okay, so next here only it starts, so exactly you can do it. RQP, QP, QP 500, QP 400, QP 300, QP 200. So all the strike values or the structural contour values are marked here. Now you transfer these values to your cross section. So I will show you how to do this. Okay, so I'm starting from this point A, so we can mark this A, this is B point, so I'm starting from here A. So this line that is corresponding to 500, so keep this point parallel to 500. Okay, like this, mark this point. Okay, this is 400. Okay, we have now 2 points. We have 2 points. So connect these 2 points. Draw the line like this. So inside you draw with complete line, outside you can mark with dashed line. Okay, so likewise for the next straight arm. So this is for 700. Okay, keep it here at 700. Mark this point. Any 2 point is sufficient. $600. This one is for 500. and this is 400. Okay, now try to join. Next point, so this one corresponds to 700. $600, $500, this is 400. Next, this intersection point R and Q. So this is UT, this is TS, this is SR, and now we are going to draw R and Q. So it starts with 600. $500, $400, $300, $200. Now join. And finally we have this formation. So 500, $400, $300, $200. Connect it. Now you can see the dipping. Okay, now you can give the name. So this is U T S R Q and this one P. P. Okay. Color it. The map is, your cross section is ready. So this is the another way of doing the cross section. Okay. Now calculate the dip from the map. From the map you have the strike interval So you can find out the dip angle from this strike value. Okay.